Hey guys, welcome back again. In today's pronunciation tips, we're gonna learn the R versus L sound. Okay, so a few weeks ago, we talked about the light L and the dark L sounds. So remember, when we're making the light L sound, a tip of your tongue presses at the back of your front teeth. Then release it quickly. And the lips are pretty relaxed. There's no tension at all. Like this. La 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 la, la li li lu lu. Listen. Listen to music. Listen to the radio. Let's go. Let's go to the beach. Let's go shopping. Let's go to the park. Okay? And the dark L sound, when we're making the dark L sound, you pull back the sound from the root of the tongue towards the throat. And the lips, there's a little bit tension. Okay, so like this. Soil, boil, boil. Alright, so how about the R consonant sound? How to make the R consonant sound? So imagine this is our tongue. Okay, so here, this is the tongue, this is the tip of your tongue, but it's not touching the alveolar ridge or the upper palate. It's just a little bit curving when you're making the R consonant sound like this. And your lips are rounding. Okay, so let's try some of these words. Repeat after me. Read. Read. Read a book. Read a book. Raise. Raise. Raise me up. Raise me up. Rush. Rush. Rush hour. Rush hour. Rain. Rain. Rainforest. Rainforest. Okay? So another way to make the R consonant sound, try the long E sound, okay? So it helps you to make the R consonant sound like this. Ear, ear, ear. Okay, so it seems like your ear, all right? It helps you to make the R consonant sound. Ear, ear, engineer, okay? Engineer, engineer. Okay, so another one, guys, is the sh sound. Okay, so it helps you to make the R consonant sound as well. Sh, sure. Are you sure? Are you sure? I don't think so. And how about this? Seashore. You can find the seashell at the seashore. You can find the seashell at the seashore. Okay, so let's practice the R versus L sounds with these words. Repeat after me. Okay, so try to see my mouth position. Okay, so here we go. Read, read, lead, lead, read, lead, read, lead, read, lead. Right, light, right, light. Right, light, right, light, right, light. Rate, late, rate, late. Rate, late, rate, late, rate, late. Raise, lace, raise, lace. Raise, lace, raise, lace, raise, lace. Wrong, long, wrong, long. Wrong, long, wrong, long, wrong, long. Road, load, road, load, road, load, road, load, road, load. Rice, lice, rice, lice, rice, lice, rice, lice, rice, lice. Okay, guys, can you see my mouth position? It's totally different, right? The placement. When I say R is a bit rounding, but when I say the L sound, my lips are pretty relaxed. Okay, so I want you to practice many times some of these words, and when you are practicing, try to look at the mirror to see your mouth if it's in the right position. Okay, so I look forward to seeing your task and keep practicing and improving. And if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and also share to your friends, your colleagues. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to smash the red button and also the bell so you will notify for the next coming lesson. This is Lynn, your Monday accent coach. I'll see you in the group. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.